finished our last game drive of this 10-day safari.
Good morning.
Good morning. I think everyone's been up for a bit, but I slept in as long as possible.
It's currently like 6:40 a.m. We're in Ngorogoro National Park. Ngorogoro Crater National Park, let me rephrase that. It's like 50 degrees outside. It's really high elevation, so I didn't expect it was going to be so cold. And we're literally sitting in a cloud because we're so far up. You can't really see very far in front of you. After 2 nights of tent camping, I'm ready to be in a hotel again tonight. I did not sleep very well either night. But it's an adventure. Although we didn't hear any animals last night. At least I didn't. Although I did hear somebody snoring so loud. A couple people snoring so loud. Behind me is the crater. It used to be a volcano and then it exploded and just left this massive hole. But it's still pretty foggy. I'm hoping once we get down there the sun will start to shine.
We are out of the crater, and we finished our last game drive of this 10-day safari.
I think 10 days was just a couple days too long.
I agree with that.
Yeah, I mean, it was amazing to see all the animals and to continue seeing the animals. But just the amount of time that you spend in the car in this Tanzania part, like, I didn't think it could get much worse, the roads.
The roads are definitely worse.
Yeah.
The car rides are tougher. The food has been more questionable here in Tanzania than Kenya.
Ask us how we're doing with our stomachs, because it's not well.
That's definitely contributing to the mood right now. But we have like a 5-hour drive back to Arusha. So here we go.